We understand that securing your digital frontier is a constant battle. CDW provides a comprehensive and strategic approach to harnessing the power of Microsoft Copilot for security, helping you improve threat detection, streamline incident response, and fortify your defenses. Our Microsoft Copilot for Security workshop will equip you with the knowledge, skills, and strategic insights needed to protect your organization. Our seasoned security consultants will meet with you to evaluate your unique landscape and the fundamental challenges surrounding your existing security infrastructure. We'll show you how Microsoft Copilot seamlessly integrates with other security products and equip you with prompt books and guidance for specific threats. And you'll receive actionable next steps tailored to your needs, empowering you to implement Copilot for Security effectively, optimize its usage, and drive continuous improvement in your security posture. As a trusted leader in technology solutions, CDW has cultivated a long-standing and strategic partnership with Microsoft. With a proven track record and years of experience, you can trust in our commitment to driving your organization's security success with Microsoft Copilot. Let's partner together to enhance your security and safeguard your assets. Reach out to your account manager today to learn more about our Microsoft Copilot for Security workshop.